So I'm an electrical electronic engineering student. So I'm completed in the year of 2018. So I was joined as QSPIDERS as